Your Lordship, may I mention, item 27 from the supplementary list. The matter was supposed to be listed tomorrow, according to the registry when we filed it. But the matter is appearing today. In fact, I am on my way to the airport, so I could physically appear tomorrow before your Lordship. So may kindly keep it tomorrow. That is my only request, your Lordship.
Which one? Item number?
Item number 27 from the supplementary list. It was supposed to be listed tomorrow. My flight tickets are confirmed. I'm in fact on my, will just be leaving for the airport. My flight is at 2. I'll be appearing physically tomorrow, your Lordship. The brief is voluminous. It's 424 pages. So may kindly have it tomorrow. I'll be very grateful.
List this matter tomorrow.
I'm very grateful, your Lordship.
Yes.
May it please, my Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 from admission. I have received affidavit in opposition from the respondent number 5, as well as the state respondent. Allow me to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition. Give me 2 weeks, Lordship.
MS Judge appearing for the petitioner, submits that she has received a copy of the affidavit in opposition and needs some time to file a reply.
Lordship.
Her prayer is allowed, least after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May we please to mention item number 14, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks to file my affidavit. Your Lordship.
Item number 14.
14.
The learned counsel MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondent. Prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. Heard Mr. Foseko Forte. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. Least after 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship is an interim. Can it continue? Interim.
Oh, the interim order passed and will continue until then.
Are you blessed?
Your
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Your Lordship, there's a read appeal that is pending. So let this matter be listed after the disposal of read appeal number 4 of 2025. It relates to retrospective regularization, Your Lordship.
You are for the state respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For respondent number 5.
I'm for the state respondent, Your
State
Lordship.
respondent. MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondent submits that there is a read appeal being 4 of 25
Yes, Your Lordship.
and prayed that this matter should be listed after disposal of the said read appeal. I have heard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. List this matter after disposal of read appeal number 4 of 2025.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
This, my lord. I beg to mention item number 10 on behalf of Mr. Yamawati for CGC, Council for CGC, my lord. My lord, in this matter, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file by my.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of the learned CGSC, prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. Heard Mr. Foseko Forte, appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the respondent is allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
And my lord, similar prayer for item number 20.
20.
Yes, my lord.
Same prayer.
Yes.
In place of Foseko Forte, MS, so-and-so. Same order.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship, 2 weeks time will be granted to file a reply to the additional affidavit.
The Learned, you are additional advocate.
Your Lordship,
The learned additional advocate general, Mr. So-and-so, prays for some time to file a reply in respect of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. RDMS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the learned additional advocate general is allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Lordship, the interim in the IA as well as the petition may be extended to you.
The interim order passed in the interlocutory application as well as the writ petition shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Your Lordship. Lordship, this matter may be listed on 23rd of March, Lordship.
23rd of March.
Yes, Lordship.
On the request of MS so-and-so, the hearing is adjourned today. List on 23rd of March for hearing.
Much obliged.
Well, I beg to mention item number 26. On the basis of the order passed on 5/2/2026, I'm supposed to file an affidavit for bringing in some reports. So kindly grant 3 weeks time. I'll be filing in the course of the day.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for a petitioner prays for some time to file the affidavit. RDMS so-and-so appearing for a state respondents. The prayer of the learned counsel for a petitioner is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, item 5, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I kindly grant me 3 weeks' time to file my additional affidavit.
The learned government advocate,
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so,
I have 5.
prays for 3 days time. To
3
file-
weeks' time.
3 weeks time to file the additional affidavit. Heard, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for a petitioner. The prayer of the respondent is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
My lord, I've already filed my affidavit in reply. I've already filed my affidavit in reply.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so has already filed his affidavit. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 15. My lord, here I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2. My lord, here I'm yet to receive instructions, so kindly allow me 3 weeks time.
Respondent number 1 and
2.
1 and 2. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondents. Appearing for the respondents to 1 and 2. Prays for some time to take instructions. Heard, MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the respondent is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Your Lordship, there is an interim order.
The interim order passed shall continue until then.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24.
Hmm?
Lordship, item number 24.
24.
Lordship, I appeal on behalf of Lordship Agent. The Lordship considers in this case, as kindly get a letter come out for 3 weeks time.
2 weeks time. Learned counsel, MS so-and-so, appearing for the petitioner. Prays for an adjournment on personal grounds. The prayer for adjournment is allowed, least after 2 weeks
Yes, Lordship.
for hearing.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of Ace Shaft. Kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
The learned counsel, MS so-and-so, appearing for the state respondents, prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. Heard, Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, item 12.
2.
12, Lordship.
Item 2.
1, 2, Lordship.
Huh?
12. 1.
12. 12.
Lordship, on behalf of attorney, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
No, item 12 also same order. 3 weeks time.
Lordship, of item 14 as well, Lordship.
14.
Lordship.
14 already adjourned.
Lordship. I pledge.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item 11. Here on for respondent number 4, I'm yet to receive instructions, so 3 weeks time may be given to me.
MS so-and-so appearing for a respondent number 4. 6 some time to take instructions. You are for the petitioner. You are for a petitioner.
Respondent 5, my lord.
Heard Mr. So and so appearing for respondent number 5. The prayer of the learned counsel is allowed. Released after 3 weeks.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 17.
Hmm.
I am for the respondent 1, 2, and 5 in this matter. Lordship, 1, 2, and 5.
1, 2, and 5.
Lordship, a connected writ petition numbered 132 of 2016 is pending before the Honorable Apex Court.
132?
132 of 2016, my lord.
2016.
Now, a decision taken in that 132 of 2016 will cover this case, your lordship, because this case is actually born out of that writ petition, your lordship. And decision is yet to be taken. So if 4 weeks time can kindly be granted, my lord.
Okay. Mr. N. Angami, appearing for respondents 1, 2, and 5 submits that the decision in the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court
Yes, my lord.
that was delivered in writ petition number 132 of 2016 covers this case.
No, your lordship, the decision that will be taken, it is yet to be disposed of, my
Oh,
lord.
sir. Mr. N. Angami, the learned counsel appearing for the respondents 1, 2, and 5 submits that a writ petition being 132 of 2016 is pending for disposal before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
Therefore, Mr. Angami prays for 4 weeks' time to make his submissions. I have heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner.
Motion respondent number 3.
MS So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 3. The prayer, Mr. Angami, is allowed, least up to 4 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. Since the counsel for the petitioner is on leave, I pray that the matter will be taken up after 3 weeks.
MS So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Prays for an adjournment on personal grounds. The prayer is allowed. The hearing is adjourned accordingly, least up to 3 weeks for hearing.
May I bless your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of Interim. Kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Item number 13, MS So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. Prays for 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in deposition. Hard MS So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least up to 3 weeks.
Bless lordship.
Right, Mr. Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21 on behalf of my senior. Kindly list the matter after 1 week.
1 week.
Yes, sir.
On the request of, you are appearing for Muazamir.
I'm appearing for respondent number 3.
Respondent. Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of the respondent number 3. Prays for an adjournment. The prayer is allowed. This next week.
Yes, sir. Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes, my lord. Yes. My lord, the petitioner is a contractor profession.
Non-payment of bill. Who is for the respondent?
My lord, I'll appear for respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Yes.
My lord, I've served a copy to respondent number 2.
Okay. Who is for 3?
Lordship, for 3, your lordship.
For 3. Okay, you take instructions.
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2. Heard MS So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 3. The learned counsels appearing for the respondents prays for some time to take instructions. The prayer is allowed. Least up to 3 weeks.
No, please.
For motion, item number 2.
Yes.
This present petition was
In view of the advertisement dated. In view of the advertisement dated.
Who is for a respondent?
For respondent 1 to 4.
1 to 4. The notice has to be issued to respondent number 5.
Private respondent.
Private respondent. RMS so and so appearing for a petitioner. RMS so and so appearing for the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, sir.
Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4. As because MS so and so has accepted notice, extra copy of the petition shall be provided to her. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by speed post.
Registered post with 80.
Hmm?
Registered post with 80.
By speed post.
Yes, Lordship.
List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, this writ petition may be listed along with the WPC 5 of 2025.
Okay. List after 4 weeks along with rate petition number
5 of 2025.
5 of 2025.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 28.
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for some time, your lordship.
Okay.
My seniors are flexible.
For admission, item number 3.
Lordship, here in the IA, I am for the opposite party, whereas in the writ petition, I am for the petitioner.
Who filed the IA? The opposite party
The
filed.
sole respondent, yes, the opposite party.
Where is he now?
He usually comes from Dimapur. Perhaps he missed the cost list today.
The road condition is also bad.
The street petition is also there, my lord. I am for the petition and the writ petition.
I filed by the other party.
Yes, my lord, for vacation of interim.
What can be done now?
Lordship, if it can be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay. In the IA, you write, none appears for the applicant. Heard Mr. Santianger appearing for the opposite party. Since none appears for the applicant on call, the matter is adjourned today. List after 3 weeks.
My lord, Lordship, the interim may kindly be extended.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue until then.
For admission, item number 8.
Lordship, let the interim continue in the main writ petition.
The interim order passed in the connected writ petition shall continue until the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
This is item number 8.
Yes, your lordship, there is an interim in item 11.
Item?
11.
No, in item 11, the interim order passed shall continue until. This is item 8.
Lordship, I beg my lord's indulgence, my lord. I don't want to keep my learned friends waiting. If kindly item 23, then kindly be restricted on. I said my learned friends suggest.
When?
23. After 3 weeks, my lord.
Then item number 23. After 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, my lord. Lordship, if my name can kindly be reflected as the counsel for respondents 2, 3, 6, and 7.
The name of Mr. Santianger shall be shown in the cause list as the counsel representing the respondents.
2, 3, it is shown in the cause list, my lord, but it's just that if my presence may kindly be reflected in today's order.
Okay.
It becomes difficult for people, lordship.
Okay, all right. Give his name, Mr. Santianger. Item number 23.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
This is item number 8. Who is for item number 8?
On the last occasion, the petitioner counsel for the petitioner seek time to procure that certificate and to impede the name of the wife and his son.
But today he is absent.
Yes, madam.
Petitioner is absent today. None appears for a petitioner on call. Heard, Mr.
I'm for respondent number 3.
What is your name? What is your name?
Peter Rana.
Appearing for a respondent number 3. Heard, MS so-and-so. Appearing for a respondent number? State respondents. Okay. Since none appears for the petitioner on call, the matter is adjourned today. List after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 9.
Yeah, so none appears for the petitioner. Hmm? Oh, see, none appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number. Respondent number 3. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the state respondents. Since none appears for the petitioner on call, the matter is adjourned today. List after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 18.
Yes, notice served or not?
My lordship, if your lordship may kindly look into the last order, Your Lordship. This honorable court directed the petitioner to take instructions regarding whether the e-auction was conducted on 12/1/2026 or not. The petitioner received instructions appeared before the bank and received instruction that
Whether e-auction was conducted on 12/01/2026 or not.
They have conducted, madam.
They've conducted.
But yes, but no interested candidates, prospective candidates was interested on that day, madam.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
You are Mr. Suryan.
Met overall.
Mr.
The leading counsel.
Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner.
Madam, regarding the if the interim pair may be allowed, madam, that the respondent may be directed not to take any further steps, madam, for the auction.
Submits, Mr. So-and-so submits that the e-auction was conducted on 12/01/2026, but nobody staked their bids in the said auction. Mr. So-and-so has prayed for passing an interim order as prayed for earlier. Who is for the respondents?
All are private respondent, my lord.
All are private respondents.
Yes, Punjab National Bank.
None appears for the private respondents. And a notice sent or not?
Yes, my lord. We have already sent.
Where is the office note? Served or not? There is no service of notice issued up to respondent number 1 to 3 by speed post, not returned. Seen the office note dated 16/02/2026. Await for the service report. After appearance of the respondents, the prayer for interim order shall be considered. List after 4 weeks.
Okay. Much obliged, Lord.
For motion, item number 28.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is again one of those very peculiar matters which comes up before this Honorable Court. I am the chairperson of the Dimapur Municipal Council. After the elections in the year 2024, by an order dated 13/8/24, I distributed portfolios to the councillors in my coalition. Now, the DMC survives on the funds that it generates by itself. We began having problems to pay the salaries of the sanitation staff and even the general staff. We went on strike in the month of December. We assured them that we would pay the salaries and they went back to work. Now, to consider this very precarious condition, I called for a meeting on 15/12/2025. On this day, we had a discussion about the areas of salaries to the sanitation staff. The members, they themselves could not put forward any solution. I personally undertook to raise resources from my own sources to pay at least a part of the salaries. That was agreed upon. Then considering that resource generation was a problem, we decided on 15/12/25 that there will be a reshuffle in the portfolios. My prerogative. Against that decision, the respondent number 4 here, who refused to attend, for reason not refused, she submitted her regrets for not being able to attend on 15/12. She submitted a complaint to the Chief Executive Officer. the Chief Executive Officer, by an order dated 7 January, more or less stayed my order. Chief Executive, firstly, Your Lordship will know, Chief Executive Officer is just a representative of the government in the municipality. He has got no authority, no power whatsoever to stay my order. And the order was stayed on an application by the respondent number 4, who submitted that such an order was passed, my order was passed without consulting the high power committee of my party. High power, firstly, Your Lordship, the party need not be consulted. I am the chairperson, it is my prerogative. When the order was passed, I inquired from the committee, from the NPF party, the Dimapur division, whether any such order was passed. The party said, no, that letter which has been filed is a forgery. So I immediately directed the Chief Executive Officer to withdraw that letter. The Chief Executive Officer withdrew the letter on 12th of January. On the same day, he wrote another letter to the government in the Department of Municipal Affairs, asking for guidance because there's a conflict between the chairperson and the deputy chairperson. The deputy chairperson appears also submitted a representation dated 21/2026 on the same ground as earlier. There's no consultation with the party. I did it unilaterally without consulting anyone. On the basis of that application and on the basis of the letter of the Chief Executive Officer, an order dated 26th of January was passed. Your Lordship, you may kindly see that the improved order. 26th of January is at page 55. 23rd January.
Yes.
Page 55. May I read it?
Yes.
May I read, Your Lordship? This is dated 23rd January 2026. Matter regarding order number DMC dated 22nd December 2025. So what is this order of 22nd December 2025? This is after the meeting on 15/12/2025, order which I issued reshuffling the portfolios. With reference to the subject cited above and to the deputy chairperson letter dated 21/25 and CEO's letter dated 12 January 2026, the undersigned is directed to convey that due cognizance have been taken over the reported misunderstanding and confusion prevailing amongst the elected councillors, having arisen out of the aforementioned order of the chairperson dated 22/12/25 and causing undue disruption in the functioning of the DMC office. The matter shall have been examined and with the following observations. There has been procedural lapses in the issuance of the order dated 22/12/25 by the chairperson for not adhering to the provisions of Chapter 5, Conduct of Business of the NMA 2023. That the order was also issued without observing the procedures as laid down under Section 77(2)(a) of the NMA Act 2023. Now, therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 81 of the NMA 2023, the following directives is hereby issued for necessary compliance. That the order issued dated 22nd December 2025 shall be considered null and void. The executive officer in a government has declared an order passed by the chairperson of the DMC, null and void. And this is totally without jurisdiction. That is why I'm before this honorable court, Your Lordship. And, Your Lordship, can I place a copy of the Municipal Act? We can go through the provisions which the department relies upon.
Section 8.
Firstly, Your Lordship, Chapter 5. Your Lordship can turn to Chapter 5. Page 32. Page 22. In my copy, it is page 32. Your Lordship's copy is different here. But Chapter 5.
Just a minute.
Yes. The heading is
Chapter 5, Conduct of Business.
Yes, Conduct of Business. Conduct of Business. It is there in the petition also, Your Lordship. Now, Conduct of Business, oath of affirmation. That we're not concerned about, Your Lordship. 60B, prohibition against sitting and voting before meeting. That also we're not concerned. Time for holding meetings. Lordship, we can go through this provision. 60C, every municipal town council shall meet for transaction of business at least once in every month on such day and at such time as may from time to time be fixed by regulations. Not very relevant. Then 57. page 60D, convening of meeting. The chairperson, or in his absence, the deputy chairperson of municipal council or town council may convene an ordinary or special meeting at any time. What we are concerned about is one, whenever she thinks fit. Full authority with me to convene meetings. So I convened a meeting first on the 12th of December, but since members could not attend, it was rescheduled to 15th of December. On 15th of December, respondent number 4 conveyed her apologies. Then ordinary and special meeting, quorum, subject to other provision of this act, the quorum necessary for the selection of which shall be. So the quorum, so in calling for the meeting, what provision of chapter 5 has been violated? Nothing. No relevance at all. And the second section which they rely upon is section 77, 2E.
Section 77.
Yes, there is no change. Section 77, 2E. To A. Yes. So the heading of section 77 is powers of government to require production of documents and submission of reports. So 2A, every municipality shall forward to the government the proceedings of the meetings of the municipality and of a committee thereof in such time and in such manner as may be prescribed. What relevance, what authority is here for the government to act against me? And secondly, even in respect of this section, the manner in which the reports are to be submitted as may be prescribed. There are no such prescriptions till now. No such prescriptions. But apart from that, this section does not empower the state to take any action against me. And I have not violated this section. Then, section 81. Section 81.
Yes.
Is your lordship got section 81?
Yes.
Powers to issue directions and policy guidelines. The government may from time to time issue such directions or policy guidelines not inconsistent with the provisions of this act or the rules made thereunder as it may consider necessary to the municipalities for the purpose of performing their functions under this act, and it shall be the duty of the municipalities to perform their functions in accordance with such directions or policy guidelines. So functions is different.
Function is different.
Completely different. The constitution of the GMC with my members in charge of distribution of portfolios has got nothing to do with this section 81. And not only that, lordship can also see section 65. Section 65, the powers of the chairperson. The powers granted to the chairperson are very wide. In fact, the chairperson is the supreme authority as far as the DMC is concerned. General powers of the chairperson. Has your lordship got section 65? 1. The chairperson of the municipal council or town council shall exercise such powers and perform such functions as are conferred upon him, her, by or under this act and the rules and regulations made thereunder. The chairperson shall preside over the meetings with the municipal council or town council. 3. This is important, your lordship. The chairperson shall exercise general supervision and control over the functioning of the municipal council or town council. He is the supreme authority. So where is the power? The letter of 23rd March 2026. It relies on certain sections of the Municipal Council Act. These sections do not confer any authority on the state to interfere in the distribution of portfolios in a DMC. So that is my case, your lordship.
Yes.
That is my case.
Okay. I will stay this.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. A. Jimoni. Oh, yes.
Your lordship, my learned senior friend has just read of section 80.
81.
81.
I'm coming to section 80.
80. Yes.
Yeah, right, your lordship. Lordship, I have the book.
General power of government.
Yes.
Yeah, right, your lordship. Notwithstanding anything that in this act, the government, number 8, may reverse or modify any order of any officer of the government passed or purporting to happen passed under this act if the government considers such orders to be, number 1, not in accordance with the provisions of this act or the rules made thereunder, or for any reason to be recorded in writing, speaking, and shall, for the purpose of carrying out the provisions of this act, exercise over his officers all powers of superintendence, direction, and control. All powers of the officers include the chairperson also, Your Lordship.
No, that is a, I mean, with all due respect to my another friend, this is about officers of the government who are posted at the DMC. This is not about the councillors. And the action taken against me is on the 81 also, not on the 80. And the language is very clear. It is about officers who are posted at the DMC. It does not apply to councillors.
Okay, you are for respondent number 1.
You are for
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Yes.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Jimuni, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondents 1, 2, and 3. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1, 2, and 3. As because Mr. So-and-so has accepted notice, extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4. Deputy chairperson.
Yes, yes, sir.
By speed post. Take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by speed post. Heard the learned counsels, para, in the matter of a prayer for an interim order. Mr. Zimoni submits that the notice dated 23 January 2026 is violative of Section 81 of the Nagaland Municipal Act 2023.
Section 65 to you.
Huh?
Section 65 also.
Section 81 and Section 65 and 81 of the Nagaland Municipal Act 2023. The learned counsel for the respondent has referred to Section 80 of the said Act. After considering the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides, it is hereby directed that till eternal date, the letter dated 23rd January 2026, written by the Additional Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, the letter dated 23 January 2026, being number MA, capital MA, stroke capital DMC, stroke 01, stroke 2026, stroke 450, written by Additional Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Selimin State.
Yes. Much better.
Least after 4 weeks. You can take back the book.
Yes. Yes. Much obliged.
Okay.
For hearing, item number 19.
Mr. Santianga.
Yes, my lord.
I will hear you next month.
My lord. Otherwise, Lordship.
You can choose a date also.
Lordship, it's the last matter today, and it's a very simple matter.
Yes. No, I have gone through it.
Yes, my lord. I'll take my lord only to 3 documents, Lordship.
Yes. Actually, today I don't want to make it a same. That is why. Next month you will be heard.
My lord, my lord.
You can choose a date of your choice.
In that, otherwise, my lord, since we have sufficient time, we could have, if my lord so pleases, we could have. The issue is very limited, Lordship.
I understand. I have gone through it. You choose a date in the month of March.
Lordship. Any Thursday?
Any Thursday?
Yes, Lord.
5 March?
Yes, my lord. 5 to 2 auspicious.
Oh, yes. List this matter on 5th March for hearing. Heard Mr. Santianga. They write like the heard Mr. Santianga appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for, A.T. Papum. E. Tibafom. E. Tibafom appearing for this respondent. Declared public prosecutor. Release this matter on 5th of March for hearing. Okay.
Court could proceed. Continue.